Look deep into nature and then you will understand everything better. Let the view take your breath away. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day everyone. Today we are heading to Polanco, Zamboanga del Norte. And of course, I will give you a brief info about the place. Polanco is a municipality in the province of Zamboanga del Norte, Philippines. It is politically subdivided into 30 barangays. Each barangay consists of puruks while some have sitios.
In the still of the night, I think of you. My heart beats with every thought of you. You're the one I can't let go. In your arms I find my home. Love, sweet love, it's you I'm dreaming of. Every moment with you feels like a gift from above. Forever and always, you're the one I adore. In your love I find my forevermore. Find my forevermore, the more. Through every storm, you're my guiding light. In your eyes I see the stars align. With you I'm whole, with you I'm complete. In your love my heart finds its beat. Love, sweet love, it's you I'm dreaming of. Every moment with you feels like a gift from above. Forever and always, you're the one I adore. In your love I find my forevermore.
Officially, the province of Zamboanga del Norte is a province in the Philippines situated within the Zamboanga Peninsula region in Mindanao. Its capital and largest city is Dipolog, and the province borders Zamboanga del Sur and Zamboanga Sibugay to the south, Misamis Occidental to the east, and the Sulu Sea to the west.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know.
So, visiting our childhood place. So, dito, nung kabataan namin, we used to walk here kapag papunta kami sa balloon para maglaba. Doon kasi sa unahan may balloon doon. Doon ang labahan namin. Kung sa Bisaya, Atabay. So, daghan kayo ang manlaba dito kay nindot man to siya nga Atabay na ipanas ba. So, yun. Tapos, everyday yan or every time na maglalaba kami, ayan, nilalakad namin yan. Doon yan sa unahan. So, ang kagandahan sa lugar na to, if gusto mo mag-relax, gusto mo ng peace of mind, pwede kang umupo dyan. Ayan o, dyan sa may lilim ng punong kahoy. Ayan. Upo ka lang dyan and magkaroon ka talaga panigurado ng peace of mind. So, dito yan sa Zamboanga del Norte. Ayan. Polanco, Zamboanga del Norte. So, ayan. Wala yung pinagbago. Pinagbago lang pala ay lumalaki na ang mga puno. Kasi ilang dekada na rin ilang dekada na ba kaming hindi nakapunta dito. I think almost 3 decades. Yeah, mga ano na ba? I think 25 years. Yeah. So more than 2 decades. So magti 3 decades na, diba? Kaya mas lalo siyang gumanda, mas lalong naging relaxing ang place. Kasi nga, ang daming mga punong kahoy na which is malamig talaga ang simoy ng hangin. So, ayan po. Zamboanga del Norte has a mild and moderate climate due to evenly distributed rainfall throughout the year. Its southern portion has a longer dry season. When you love nature, you appreciate its beauty, power, and the way it connects you to something larger than yourself. Connecting to nature can be achieved through various activities like hiking, gardening, or simply spending time outdoors.